Welcome to this tutorial on Get-ItemProperty, a powerful PowerShell cmdlet for reading file attributes. In this video, you'll learn how to access specific properties of files and folders, such as LastWriteTime, without having to read the entire file content. This cmdlet is essential for anyone working with file system automation in PowerShell. Get-ItemProperty is a cmdlet that retrieves specific properties and attributes of files and folders in PowerShell. It allows you to access metadata without reading the entire file content, making it extremely efficient for file system operations. This cmdlet works with both the file system provider for files and folders, as well as the registry provider for registry items. It's a versatile tool that gives you quick access to important file information. The basic syntax of Get-ItemProperty is straightforward. You start with the cmdlet name, Get-ItemProperty, followed by the -path parameter, and then specify the full path to your file in quotes. For example, Get-ItemProperty-path c:\file.text. This simple command returns all available properties for the specified file. There are several common file properties you can access with Get-ItemProperty. LastWriteTime tells you when the file was last modified. CreationTime shows when the file was originally created. LastAccessTime indicates when the file was last opened or accessed. And length gives you the file size in bytes. These properties are fundamental for file management, monitoring, and automation tasks in PowerShell. To access the LastWriteTime property, you first store the result of Get-ItemProperty in a variable. For example, $file equals Get-ItemProperty-path c:\data\log.text. Then, you can access the LastWriteTime property using dot notation, $file.LastWriteTime. This returns a date-time object showing when the file was last modified. If you only need a specific property, you can use the -name parameter to retrieve just that value. The syntax is Get-ItemProperty-path c:\data\log.text, then a backtick for line continuation, -name LastWriteTime. This command returns only the LastWriteTime value directly, without all the other file properties, making your output cleaner and more focused. You can access multiple properties from the same file by storing the Get-ItemProperty result in a variable. For example, $props equals Get-ItemProperty-path c:\data\report.xlsx. Then you can access any property you need. $props.LastWriteTime, $props.CreationTime, and $props.length. This approach is efficient because you query the file once and can then access any property from that stored object. Let's recap the key points. Get-ItemProperty retrieves file metadata efficiently without reading the entire file. Use the -name parameter when you need only specific properties to keep your output clean. Access properties through dot notation on the result object for flexible property retrieval. And remember, this cmdlet works with any file system path or registry key, making it a versatile tool in your PowerShell toolkit. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Get-ItemProperty.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.